Hi guys, so today we're going to be playing with some new slime from Walmart. So first we got this Hello Kitty slime. It's glittery. Don't worry, I already opened it, but it's fine.
Isabella, where are you?
Oh my god.
Outside.
Making a video. This guy forced us to go to the
Look at
forest
that.
and we almost got lost. So that's why I'm saying to this guy, okay.
Oh my god. So you might hear some ASMR and it's Hello Kitty and it smells like strawberry.
Next
Okay, on to the
slime
next slime. Next we're going to be going on Boba slime and it's purple and it's the best. I also got these. So good. And I got a panda. So
Oh my god, that was like a fart. It feels so squishy.
smells like lavender. I named it Laventina or something like that. And then there's some like squares that you can pop. I already popped it. And it's very good at making bubbles.
Okay, now we're gonna put away my mint.
So
And
we're good like that.
let's move on.
Oh my god, and it's so ASMR. Look.
Sorry guys. Let's move
Oh
on
my god.
to
Okay, on to the next slime. If you like the boba slime, comment down
water
below.
slime. This
Next one is
a
this
water.
purple one. Me and my friend Isabella. So my color was purple to get everything at Walmart or any store purple. So I got 2 purple slimes. I had just one different color, and her color was teal. So she got 2 teal slimes and something else. So like, here's my jiggly slime. It's water slime. And it smells like regular slime, and it's like so jiggly, and like there's
Okay,
beads
guys,
in it.
so now we're
And
gonna
look
be
at
doing
those
this
hearts.
crazy
That's
slime.
so cool, and it's so jiggly.
Oh
So
my god.
comment down below which one you like the most,
Down below
and
which one you like the
subscribe.
most.
Bye.